How to withdraw Solana from BullX. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to withdraw. So as you can see right now, we're currently at BullX login. So we're simply going to click on connect Telegram over here. And from our Telegram, we're simply going to log in so we could access our BullX website. Now, this is our BullX website over here. As you can see, you can see all the transactions, all the tradings, and so on and so forth. So after this, you're going to click on your hamburger icon over here on the top right, or your menu button, which will show us this menu. Now simply click on Wallet Manager, and here, click on Withdraw. Now, in this withdraw, you're going to have to select here Solana, of course, and you're going to then add your withdraw wallet. It will automatically or transfer your Solana from your BullX since we already selected Solana option over here, and it will then allow you to withdraw from Solana or from BullX to the selected withdraw wallet that you have preferred or chosen. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.